Hi, I'm Rajagopalan. I come from Rishikesh, that is in Uttarakhand. Basically, I was knowing a little bit of astrology earlier, but I was not very much interested in Vedic astrology because it was so complicated and all. But when I saw the first your program about MasterClass in Twitter, so I thought of joining, and I joined not only your class, one more class was there for publishing a book, to be very honest. But later on I thought, selecting between the two, I thought this is the one which is very good for the simple reason because I am an engineer, I love numbers, and here everything was number and logic. Logic was emphasized in this particular course right from boot camp to your MasterClass, boot camp and diploma. All the three I have learned a lot, I have improved to a large extent, but a lot of practices has to be done. That of course is from my effort, which I need to do it. But the program was outstanding. I will give 100% marks to Professor Krish sir, because the way you have tackled this particular program, the technology savvy which you are, that was quite impressive. And another important thing is that your spontaneity, the manner in which the student is asking and the way you have replied immediately, you are having an answer, that was a treat to watch. So that was a treat to watch as a trainer, because I am also training some people. So that I learned that way. Only one of the things which I would like to emphasize. Today's class was of course outstanding, because meeting you is a great thing, because I wanted to meet you personally. That's why I came all the way for that. And of course we had six charts we could analyze each team, and there was a teamwork also in that. So we enjoyed the teamwork also. At the end of the day, the thing which I would like to know, that software wise we were not having that kind of thing. Which particular software is to be used? That we were struggling initially, but later on we came to know in Lokpal also there is some bugs are there which needs to be done, because that 3 degree 20 minutes and 6 degree 40 minutes, there is some problem comes, the houses changes. So since you are developing a software, so we are eagerly waiting for your software to come, so that we are benefited and we can be a good astrologer and be a very good you are a disciple to follow other people to go ahead. Thank you, sir.